Man. Street talk. What's up, man? Well, Donald Trump's pardon list came out. Guess who wasn't on that motherfucker? King Larry Hoover. Guess who was on that motherfucker though? Kodak Black. They picked Larry Hoover over Kodak Black. Damn, Jay Prince. Thought you had this one, buddy. Man, there goes the structure. Man, there's no more hope. They ain't let the man out. Y'all just tapping in with my subscribers, man. Drop in the comments below and let me know what y'all think about that. I'll be back about 3 o'clock to finish up on this subject.